Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I want to review something that I recently purchased on Amazon for like $5, a little less. And this is a product that I've kind of been remiss in using the last couple of months. I've been trying to do less is more, but at the same time, because I don't tan easy, I really would like to put a little bit of color in my face. Now, what do you think this is? I will tell you in a moment as soon as I take off this protective wrapping. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. See that there. Now, this has been around for how many? At least a good, I think, 10 years or so. This has been featured on various channels. And I don't know, in the past 6 months or something, it started to gain ground again as far as using bronzer. So I'm really excited to use this. I don't know what I'm in for, but I understand that this is one of the more consistent, uh, that is considered one of the best drugstore bronzers out there. So again, this is from Rimmel, and I can't wait to dive in. What shade is this? You're asking? I will put it right here. I don't have my reading glasses with me, but it's 022. Oh, it has a protective thing here. I will peel that off. Okay, without further ado. And I am going to, my face is already cleansed. It has no makeup on, like none. So I am going to start prepping my face. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My face was already cleansed and moisturized with SPF. I added my primer. In case you're wondering what I used the NYX Plump Right Back Primer, as well as my Fenty Under Eye Thick, and I also used, for my foundation, the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. Alright, so I just took off the protective piece that they had here. I did unfortunately tear a little bit, but that's okay. This is like $5. So this lifts right off. I thought it would have a hinge, but I guess it does not. No, it does not. It has like that classic old school makeup smell, if that makes sense. And it has like this beautiful sun star in the center. It has like that old fashioned creamy makeupy smell, if that makes sense. And that's how it looks like on the skin. I'm wondering if maybe I got too light, but I just start off light and really heavy. So a simple tap. And I was looking for like, oh, okay, that might be a little too, oof. Okay. So I was looking at old videos that Rimmel had up on how to apply their bronzer. And they talk about how they started over here and then they went down here and made a 3, like so. So the 3 would be like that. And on the other side, I guess it's like that. It's like 1 and then 3. Wow. Okay, this is it's like I said, it's been a while since I've put any bronzer on my face simply because it was just getting to a point that it just didn't look natural. And I just felt like it just didn't fit my persona, especially for the summer, I guess. I just wanted to be lighter. But at the same time, I don't get a lot of sun in the summer. I can't afford it. So I'm constantly under sunscreen, SPFs, reapplying every hour on the hour and keeping a floppy hat on my head. So it's not like I get a lot of sun because I have wide brim hats and baseball caps. So yeah, goes like that, like a three. And then they did this across first, and then they did two threes on either side. And they even did the nose, which I thought was interesting too. So I'm gonna go back in here and try that again. And they just went smack down the nose like that. And that was essentially it. Like the places that I guess you would get sun, which is here. Um, and that's essentially it. I mean, it goes on well. It doesn't feel splotchy or cakey. Again, that's it's like a clean but cosmetic smell, like like your parents used to have. Like it's almost like a powder scent. It has like almost like a cream consistency when you take it onto the brush and put it on your skin. It's really interesting. It's a very smooth powder, for lack of a better word. And it lit up my face really, really well. Like I look like I went and I got sunned at the beach in a way. Like that sun-kissed look we talk about. Mm-hmm. Wow. Um, mhm. And then they also say too to not neglect the neck. So I should just go down like this and call it a day. You know, but some places they're also talking about a certain placement of to get rid of the double chin because Lord knows I have that double chin, and that's essentially it. I mean, it looks pretty on camera. I don't know how it's going to look in the playback, but right now, what I'm looking at, it looks pretty good. I had some reservations because I thought the color came off a little too light, but actually it works perfect for me. Okay, I'm gonna finish off my looks and see how it looks all together. All right. So, what do you think of this sun-kissed look? I love it, especially as we head towards August. It looks like I just blinked and it was June 1st, and now we're like in the middle of July, and if I blink again, it's going to be August. So I waited so long for the weather to get warm, and now I'm seeing so many people dying to get to Halloween, and I'm like, what's the rush? Let's take a pause, a step back, relax, enjoy the moment, be present. That's just my little thought for today. But I am really liking this look. Mm-hmm. It's been a while since I've had any kind of bronzer on, and I am really enjoying it. It looks pretty good. I have to say, I am really liking it. Let me know in the comments below if you have utilized this OG, the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, which is under $5. You could probably find it for like three and change in places like Target and Walmart. I hear this is an OG and this is also waterproof. So I'm assuming if I go to the beach, this is perfect beach weather makeup. So I am thrilled about that. And who doesn't want to get a tan without having the unhealthy side effects? I know I do. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this Rimmel Natural Bronzer and have you utilized it? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe.